Hello everyone, welcome to the .NET Office. In this video series, we are going to learn everything about the Python. We will see from basic to the advanced topic which comes under the Python. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skill, this course has something for everyone. In this series, you will learn everything from Python basic to advanced concept, including some real-world application and hands-on project. By the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation in Python and you will have the confidence to build your own project. So as per this video series, we are going to learn these topics. First is the introduction to Python, where we will see what is the Python and why we use it. Apart from that, we will see how we do the installation of the Python and how we write our project. Next, we will see the Python basic, where we will see the variables, data types, some basic operators, conditional statement like if else, for loops, functions, kind of stuff we will see under the Python basic. Once we'll have this basic knowledge, then we will proceed with the data structure. It's not like that commonly used data structure is basically with respect to the Python means we will see how we structure our data using the list, tuple, set or the dictionary. Then we'll proceed with the data handling. Like once we have the data with the list, tuples, dictionary, how we manipulate and handle the data using the list comparison, dictionary comparison, and then we will see like how to play with the strings, how we handle the files, means how to read the data from file, how we insert the data into file. Then we will see the exception handling under this data handling. And then we'll proceed with the OOPS concept. There we will see what is the class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, kind of stuff. Then when we build our small application with all these concepts, then we will proceed with the advanced Python concept. There we will see the decorators, generator, and context manager. And then we will work with the external library. So in the Python, we have so many external libraries, and which library is suited to our project, all those things we will see. So there are some famous library is NumPy, Pandas, so all those, and there apart from that there are so many other like Matplotlib for data visualization. So there are so many external library which we have. We will see like which suit to our project. Accordingly, we will use all those libraries. By this time, you will have a good knowledge on the Python from basic to advanced. Then we will create a real world example or the project. So you will understand, will have the better understanding on Python and will have a kind of a revision of all the topics. So let's get start from the next video to like what is the Python and how we do the setup. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.